Hello, my name is Purple and this is my bike check. This is my bike. It's a We the People Versus 2010. Got this bike 2 years ago. It's a really nice bike. I really enjoy riding it. It's custom. The bits that stock on the bike are silver frame, which have been spruced up with some stickers, which are a bit stupid, but they're alright. I've got a Kodiak Play 1, I've got an Animal 1, and I've got a Grandpa off the Simpsons, because that's my bike's nickname. I call my bike Grandpa. The crank arms and pedals are still stock, which I need to get some new pedals because I've worn these ones down because they're really old. And the rims are still stock. I have a proper Team sprocket on, which is a really nice sprocket. It's a nice, strong, lightweight sprocket to be riding. I would suggest it if you're looking for a new sprocket to ride. It's really nice. Hooked up to that, I have a Shadow Conspiracy chain, which is another, again, it's a very strong, nice chain to be riding. It's a half link, so it looks nice as well. It's anodized purple. And yeah, again, it is a really nice thing to ride. Also, I have a kink seat, which is really comfy. I like riding this seat. Doesn't rip your trousers or anything. I have a Shadow Conspiracy plastic seat post, which is lightweight and it really does its job. Strong. And then under that I have a kink seat clamp, which is raw, which is not expensive. Up the front end, I have some Redline forks, which are lightweight and they are strong. I like these forks because they're basically lightweight and strong, and I do have lots of falling off, which you'll probably see in my later videos. Stem wise, I have a We the People Supreme stem, but it had a colour default in it, so it's a darker purple like my t-shirt purple, whereas it was meant to be like a light purple like my rims. Bar wise, I have a pair of United Grande bars, which are really nice. They're nice wide bars, which I do enjoy. The reason I have wide bars is because I like riding, like having the feeling I have lots of control, and also I have them quite far forwards as well because I have quite a small frame. I have a 20-inch top tube on the frame, whereas my brother, who's younger than me, has a 21 top tube. Yeah, but these bars are the nicest bars I've ever ridden on. I've rode loads of bars and I don't like them. On the grips, I have a pair of Chase Horse grips. I like Odyssey grips and I always need to buy them because they're comfy. I used to have a pair of key pads, but these are really nice grips. They're comfy. When you sweat when you're riding, they don't fill up, they don't slide around, they don't come off or anything. I haven't used anything under these just on how they are normally. So yeah, I think I'll be sticking with Jacob's forks for a long time. Tyres, I have a pair of We the People Feelings, which are basically street tyres and high pressure ones. They go up to 120 psi, which is what I've got these at now. I love riding We the People tyres as they hardly ever puncture. Touch of wood. I've had these for I've been running these about a year and I haven't had a punch yet on them. So yeah. Brake wise, I have an Odyssey brake cable, which is dying on me, which I have a Salt Plus brake lever, and then I have a Salt Plus brake calipers. So yeah, that's my bike. I love it. It's the way I like it, and no one else can take it from me. It's my favourite bike ever. So.